Chemist Ryan Ruiz and Latiolait here. We're going to teach you about chemical reactions and catalysts.
Well, I was going to tell a joke to start the lesson, but I was afraid there wouldn't be a reaction. Haha, well anyway, a chemical change occurs when a substance changes to a different substance and forms a new material. What brings about this change is a chemical reaction. A chemical change occurs to make more stable elements and compounds, which are the building blocks in chemistry. You can tell when a chemical reaction takes place if the substance changes temperature, color, or it starts to bubble, produces heat, or it lights up. There are different types of reactions. Synthesis is when two elements combine, or two substances combine, and they form a new substance. Decomposition is when it's the opposite of a synthesis. Single replacement is a single element replacing another element. So an example of this would be two friends are talking to each other. Now another kid comes along and one of the friends leaves and this kid takes his place. So that would be the idea of a single replacement reaction. Okay, double replacement reactions. This is the idea of elements changing places. So an example of this in life would be if two pairs of friends are talking to each other and a kid from one pair switches with a kid from the other pair. So now that everybody is talking to a new person, that would be an example of a double replacement reaction. Here's an example of a single replacement reaction. Aluminum reacting with hydrochloric acid, and the end result would be aluminum combining with the chloride, and the hydrogen would be left by itself, which would cause an explosion.
What do you call when too many cows are on one side of a ship? A catalyst.
Oh.
Catalysts make chemical reactions happen faster. They are not part of the chemical reaction and do not change in the reaction. They simply speed up the reaction. So how do catalysts work? Well, atoms need a certain amount of energy to react with another atom. And what catalysts do is decrease the required energy. So catalysts make the reaction need less energy, which causes it to turn into a faster reaction. Let's watch a short clip about reactions with catalysts. Whoa, hydrogen peroxide is mixed with the dish soap and dye. The catalyst potassium iodine is poured to make an awesome reaction.